Looking for a reliable antenna that fits perfectly with your GM vehicle? The GM factory antenna, designed for select 1988 to 2006 models, offers a durable build using copper, polypropylene, and steel. This combination ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear, making it a smart upgrade for your aftermarket radio setup. What sets this antenna apart is its compatibility with aftermarket radios through a mini plug available in both barbed and barbless versions. This design guarantees a secure connection without the hassle of complicated installations, letting you enjoy clear, uninterrupted signal reception right away. I've seen countless antennas over the years, but this one stands out for its quality and fit. It's specifically crafted for GM vehicles, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or constant adjustments. The solid materials also mean it withstands daily driving conditions without losing signal strength or structural integrity. If you've been hesitant about upgrading your antenna, this product offers a straightforward solution. The mini barbed or barbless plug options give you flexibility depending on your radio setup, and the factory design ensures it looks right at home on your vehicle. Plus, installation is quick, saving you time and effort. Many users have praised this antenna for its durability and ease of use. It fits perfectly, feels sturdy, and delivers consistent signal quality. Whether you're replacing an old antenna or upgrading your sound system, this GM factory antenna is worth considering for a hassle-free experience. If you want an antenna that balances quality materials with precise engineering, this option fits the bill. It's built to last and designed to meet the specific needs of GM vehicles from 1988 to 2006, so you get exactly what you need without compromises. Ready to improve your radio reception with a dependable antenna? This GM factory antenna with a mini barbed or barbless plug offers the perfect blend of durability and compatibility. Worth a look if you want a seamless fit and reliable performance every time. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's antenna system. With its strong construction and easy installation, it's a practical choice that delivers clear benefits without any guesswork.